back to it. I'm Sarah.
I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Caitlin.
What? I just say my name. You sort of laugh.
Say my name. Say my name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you didn't get that reference, you probably shouldn't watch this video.
Right. Anyway, so this is DPR-Ian. This is a new music video that's just dropped. And it's called Scaredy Cat.
Nerves?
Scaredy Cat.
Scaredy Cat. I stand correct.
Where'd you get nerves?
That was his other one.
Oh.
This is Scaredy Cat now.
What is it?
Scaredy Cat.
Ah.
Scaredy Cat. One more time. Scaredy Cat. Okay, now let's watch that video. Here we go.
Good night.
Manhunt contained police reports covering the horrific body. 6 years have passed by of the double binder.
Witness to say the suspect may be
Really like this aesthetic going on.
Oh! Good Lord!
Okay.
I think I'm scared of all the signs.
Oh, his hair is beautiful.
I know that I think I'm
Man, have your hair long, please.
A little bit of shit
I love it. I'm all about it. Ooh, I love this. Oh, I like this. That's how you dance. Gosh, this man is a fine man.
just to see if I'm alive.
You did. Yes, you. That is me. That's how you dance. I love the beat. Oh my gosh, his hair is fire. That is me. That is me. What is this? Gosh, this is amazing. I love the whole aesthetic. You saw it. It is so sexy. Good Lord. And not bad. Ooh, fire. That is me. Korean men, have your hair long, please. Looks so good on y'all.
feel like a lot of this stuff is kind of dark.
Golly! I am dead. Actually, any man, you got your hair long. Ooh.
That's all you got to say.
Yeah, you is fine. That's you found the bathroom. What?
Last Murphy's
Out of the bathroom. On the table? That works. A one-man show. That's all he knew.
Sound like that. Oh, ooh, I like the blouse. Is that it? Not bad.
Wow.
Not
That
bad
was
at all.
fire.
That was really good.
His one fine man.
I feel like that's one of his Tamer music videos.
His
The
what?
last
That was
the
the
last
first one I
music
saw
video of
was-
him that I've seen.
Oh, Tamer.
What?
Sorry. I didn't know. I was like, wait, what is
I
that?
was gonna say
again?
Tame In at first. I was like,
She said Tamer, and I thought Taman too, and I was like, hang on, I was like, wait, process.
more
process.
calm videos, like not
On the calm
on the
side.
side.
Like not as dark.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is kind of
It was. I love the beat to that song.
It was
really good. I like the whole thing, the aesthetic. He is a very fine, sexy man. Thank you to his parents who birthed him. Yeah, you did great.
for me, dog.
Yeah,